up at Yale. I mean, you got a legendary endowment leader up there who's really shot the lights out. And it turns out that the student newspaper decided to criticize David Swensen and his investment decisions, in part because of social responsibility. And he went after them in the newspaper. Then he didn't like the way they published it. And now they have this fight going on about journalism between David Swensen and the Yale Daily.
Yeah, this was an eye-popper yesterday, David. I agree. So especially because David Swensen is notoriously private, doesn't talk very much about the endowment. So he's now in a spat, as you said, between the student newspaper and himself over essentially the ethics of journalism, and sent some emails to the editor of the paper there that were pretty critical of how they handled things, which they then published. So they're in a back and forth. What we were talking about earlier is essentially that it kind of roots back to what's becoming an increasingly tense part of the endowment world, which is this social responsibility. The students were digging into the endowment and thought they had spotted some investments in private prisons, for example.
And he's been so terribly successful up there. The returns have been wonderful, but now they're saying, well, what about morality? We should be worried about the guns a little bit, those sorts of things.
Right, exactly. And what he was saying is you're not actually correct in terms of what we're actually holding. So that's what really started it.